The best agents don't work for just any brokerage. They look for the best environment to grow their business, serve their clients, and reach their goals. Castle Gate Realty offers over 100 tools and services to their agents that most other brokerages don't. This allows their agents to provide a level of service that goes well beyond that of their competitors, which results in more business. Every agent benefits from master-level one-on-one broker training and coaching. They learn expertise in contracts, negotiations, lead generation, AI marketing, and so much more. Only Castle Gate Realty offers 10 different commission split options, guaranteed to find the one that best fits your business. They offer caps, monthly fees, or per transaction splits. Castle Gate spends thousands of dollars every month to generate leads for their agents. Their marketing budget is massive, which includes everything from billboards to social media campaigns. And we can't forget their roundtables where the agents meet on a regular basis to share their experiences, market knowledge, and to help one another. These interactions, time and time again, prove to be priceless. Castle Gate is built for serious agents. If you're interested in learning more, please text Aggie the Broker for a confidential meeting.